2025 na. VA ka na ba? Hindi pa. Bakit? Nag-overtake ka finish mo? Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's Sham, the founder of Barangay VA University and Community, and welcome to my latest episode called Nakakainis, wherein ipoprove ko sa inyo that as early as now, you can be an effective virtual assistant. And for today's episode is episode 8, and we're going to talk about the course/community VA, another popular niche that you can embrace. Maybe this one is for you. But before anything, guys, let's talk about the Notion board that you never clicked, that you never visited. Because it's in the description box. There's a link there. Click that Notion board. Save that link because all the links of the previous episodes were there from episodes 1 onwards. And all the dates of the future episodes are there at the same time. And all the links of the free resources are there to help you. So please save that link right away. I'm giving you time. Go. Are you done? Very good. Okay. Now let's talk about the job description of the course/community VA. Very popular. I did this as well after social media management. I did community building for coaches who want to sell courses. So this is very dear to me, okay? So your job here is to support online educators or content creators, okay? Or coaches, just such as your favorite coaches here online, by managing their courses and community interaction. So of course here, you have to do a lot of community engagement. You have to do a lot of webinars. You'll help with webinars. You'll help with setting up courses, creating that course, marketing that course. Everything about community building and course creation you will do as part of your job here. So what are your usual tasks here on the day-to-day basis? You're here to onboard new students or members in the community. You're also here to upload videos and course materials. Every preparation before you bring people in, you have to do that. You're also here to do handling basic support, questions, or inquiries. You're also here to moderate Facebook, Discord, or Slack groups, or wherever that community is, or whatever that platform is. You're here to moderate that. And you're also here to monitor student progress and feedback, submissions, all that. The usual tools here are Canva, of course, Google Workspace, Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific, Circle, Discord, Facebook groups. Now there's Nas.io, very popular and new. A lot of AI tools, but mostly these platforms. What are the experience needed to be a course or community VA? First, you have to have like teaching, coaching, or training experience like me, customer service and online moderation skills, good communication and empathy. You have to have people skills at the same time because you're engaging with the community. Good interpersonal skills is very important at the same time. What were the roles previously of these course VAs right now? Were teachers, they were trainers, HR learning officers, they were online moderators, or maybe digital course buyers before. So if your hobbies are e-learning, online teaching, coaching, community building, ESL teachers can be course/community VAs at the same time. Very, very close to what they do. So comment course or community VA in the comment section if you think this is for you. Good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!